In this video, let's know how to redeem Airtel 2 GB free data from the coupon code that we get from Lay's, Kurkure, Doritos and even from Uncle Chips.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Welcome back to our channel Dr. Techno Sarasayan DL, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such kind of videos. Also follow and like our Facebook page and Twitter account as well. So this is Kurkure Puffcorn. I bought it from nearby supermarket. It says Airtel 2 GB free data. I think so a lot of air is filled in. The packet is very bulgy. I bought a 20 rupees pack in which we get 2 GB Airtel free data. There's also a 10 rupees packet in which we get 1 GB free data. So there are some 5 instructions given on the back side of the packet. The first instruction says that open the pack and look for coupon code inside. The second, download Airtel Thanks app and log in through your Airtel number. Third, go to the coupon section in the app and enter the code. Fourth, enjoy your 2 GB free data. Non-Airtel users can call to the number to switch your number to Airtel. So I really like Puffcorn to eat. It easily strings inside our mouth. Now let us empty the Puffcorn. Boom! So here we have the empty pack. Now let's find for the coupon code which is given inside the pack. Oh, we should even cut open the other side of the pack. Let's do it. So for the kind information, the offer is valid from 1st August 2020 to 31st January 2021. So it means that until January 31st 2021 we can redeem the coupon code. So now let's find the coupon code that is given in the pack. So it is very flashy with the light. Oh, I found the coupon code. Unique coupon code will be of 12 digits. The coupon code is not easily noticeable. So now we should enter this coupon code in the Airtel Thanks app. Let me bring the phone near the camera. We should open Airtel Thanks app on our phone. After opening the app, tap on the coupon section. Here we need to type in the coupon code and tap on claim. But in my case I had entered a wrong coupon code. Instead of typing in C, I typed as D. After that I rectified the mistake and entered the coupon code, but I was not able to redeem it. So I had an option of trying the same coupon code in another device. Meanwhile, I'll tell some important instructions. Like a single Airtel user can use 3 different coupon codes and can easily redeem free Airtel data. This can be availed only through the Airtel Thanks app and not from any website. I already told you that the offer period is from 1st August 2020 until 31st January 2021. Once redeemed, free data of 1 GB or 2 GB will be available for 3 days on our mobile or till consumption of free data, whichever is earlier. The coupon code to redeem Airtel free data will be in the inner layer of the pack, given from Lay's, Kurkure, Doritos and even from Uncle Chips. The price of the pack would be either 10 or 20 according to the quantity. Airtel Telecom Network will be generating and honoring the data pack to participants under this offer. Any correspondence with regard to the code, data pack redemption process and or app shall be done directly with Airtel only through help and support section on Airtel Thanks app. The offer may be cancelled, modified, extended or withdrawn anytime without any prior notice to the public. It also says that the participant shall bear all applicable charges, taxes, expenses for participation such as purchase of product, internet charges for participation, etc. Disputes under this offer are subject to the jurisdictions of courts of New Delhi only, and so terms and conditions. So I tried a lot many times with the correct coupon code in this device, but I was not able to. So let me try it in the other device. But even though I even rectified the coupon code correctly and applied it once again, but it was not possible. It was just saying that something went wrong, please try again. Now I hope even you can see the coupon code. Let me try this in the other phone. So in the other device I had opened the Airtel Thanks app. In the coupon section we need to type in the coupon code. So let me do that. There will be a 12-digit unique coupon code which can be redeemed only once. Carefully type in the correct coupon code so that the problem doesn't arise. After typing in the coupon code, tap on claim. Here it is, we redeemed 2 GB Airtel free data now. So isn't that a very easy task? So let me show you the redeemed coupon. So here we can even check the eligibility. The eligibility says we should have a active Airtel connection and with a correct coupon code. You know the offer details that I already told you. So this is my first coupon. It is valid till 21st January 21. So this was it guys. Please like, share and subscribe and do support new creators like us. Also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Finally, thank you.